everyone. Welcome back to Wall Curtains. Today, we've got a practical and helpful video for you. We will talk about how to move heavy furniture all by yourself without breaking a sweat. Whether you're rearranging your living room or moving to a new place, these tips will make the process a whole lot easier. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our helpful DIY tips. Now, let's get started. 1. Clear the path. The first step is to clear the path where you'll be moving your furniture. Remove any obstacles, rugs, or small items that could get in the way. 2. Measure and plan. Before lifting, measure your furniture and the spaces you'll be moving through. Plan your route, taking into account any tight corners or narrow doorways. 3. Use sliders or furniture dollies. One of the easiest ways to move heavy furniture is by using furniture sliders or dollies. Place sliders under each leg of the furniture or position a dolly beneath it. This will significantly reduce the friction and make it glide smoothly across the floor. 4. Slide, don't lift. When using sliders or dollies, remember to slide the furniture instead of lifting it. This technique is not only easier on your back but also requires less effort. Just push or pull the furniture in the desired direction and you'll be surprised how easily it moves. 5. Furniture lifting techniques. If you have to lift the furniture, use proper lifting techniques. Bend at your knees, not your back, and keep the furniture close to your body. Engage your core muscles and lift with your legs. Take breaks if needed, and feel free to ask for help if the item is too heavy. And there you have it, easy ways to move heavy furniture by yourself. Remember to plan, use the right tools, and prioritize your safety. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.